Hi, I'm Daniel Robb, hairstylist from Los Angeles, California, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to get rid of gray hair forever. First of all, you can't. There is no magic pill, but with the help of a great hairstylist or colorist, you can get on a maintenance program that will help blend out your gray or cover your gray, and through maintaining with your colorist monthly visits, you can hide that gray so that nobody ever knows your secret. It'll be strictly between you and your hairdresser. So I'm going to tell you the few different ways, or the most popular ways, to get rid of gray forever. The first way is to do what we call a demi-permanent color. This will help blend the gray away. It doesn't get rid of all the gray, but it blends the gray away. Almost takes you back a few years when your hair started to get gray, but it wasn't completely white yet or silver yet, so you still had some dark in there. And with a demi-permanent color, the great part is the maintenance is less than, say, with permanent hair color. So you can get your hair colored every 4 or 8 weeks. You don't get a regrowth line or that gray coming in, that root line, because with a demi-permanent, it slowly washes out of the hair. So that's one way. Another way is to do what we call a reverse weave or a reverse highlight, where you take dark color and instead of blonde, you're going to take dark color and you're going to have the hair stitched out or weaved out and foils applied to those pieces of hair and dark color put on those pieces. And what that does is helps put darker pieces back into your gray hair, once again blending out the gray, and so it kind of cuts that lightness or that grayness to the hair, once again taking you back a few years to what you used to look like before your hair got lighter or grayer. So the third and final way to get rid of your gray forever is to use permanent hair color. You'll get the most coverage and you'll get the most complete look, but there'll be more maintenance with permanent hair color because you'll get a root line that comes out and will show, and depending on how gray your hair is, that will forecast how often you'll need to get into the salon to have your hair colored or have that root touched up. So all three processes I highly recommend. I love hair color. I recommend it for my clients often. I'm Daniel Robb, hair colorist from Los Angeles, California, and thank you for watching my video on how to get rid of gray hair forever.